Installing Archicad 25 is very much the same as installing Archicad 24, so just watch the video for 24. I will add a link to the description below this video so you can find it, but you will see it in the JWH Archicad YouTube channel. So simply on your server, go looking for the Archicad installation files and find the 25 installation. As I say, it's all exactly the same, so the fonts is just a straight copy and paste into your system if you don't have them already. Second copy has all the profiles set up for you, just choose the appropriate one, or you can simply duplicate a profile in second copy and edit it so that it works for version 25. The Archicad program file is there. That's just a simple straight install, the same as shown in the other video. The add-ons, simply a copy and paste into your program file. At this stage there are no updates for version 25 because it's a new program and there's just no updates that exist at the moment, but keep an eye out because in future there will be updates that actually do add new features to version 25. There's a new option in schedules coming that will allow us to alter the way that values are displayed, and there will also be a zone label that is applicable to zones so that we can actually label zones in section for things like room names, which we can't do at the moment. Accessories at the moment, again because Archicad is new, there are no accessories. The Revit import add-on for importing Revit files and objects into Archicad is now built into Archicad, so we don't need to install that at all. And at the moment there is no Twinmotion direct link for 25, so when that's available I'll put that in here. The only difference with the installation that you'll find is when you have completed the installation and you run Archicad, it will now want to authenticate your version of Archicad. Basically what that means is setting up a Graphisoft ID. If you don't have one already, it's very simple. You just need to create one with your work email address. You need to create a password, and I recommend don't use your work password, create a new one specifically for this, but please write it down and remember what it is. And then when you sign in and create that, it may or may not ask you to link a license number to that. When you create your account, there's an option in there that will allow you to join the JWH group. I can't show you what it is because I already have a Graphisoft ID and that's all been done for me already, so I can't show you how it works exactly. But if you can't work your way through it, if you can't find that option to join the JWH group, just let me know. I can invite you, because I'm the administrator of that group, I can invite you to join it once you've created your Graphisoft ID. The other thing that might happen when you're running Archicad for the first time is it might ask you to associate a license number to the account, to your Graphisoft ID as well. That is fine, use the one that you've currently got. Most of you have got keys, just use that license key. Again, if you have trouble doing that, let me know and I can go through that with you. That basically is all that's different with the installation, is that now you need to authenticate your Archicad license.